Hi, and thanks for watching this video tutorial from AppeBee. If you're an affiliate, this video is for you because this video talks about our promotion center. We'll talk about my promotions, widgets, OCP settings, and alerts. So let's dive right in. I've already logged into the system, and as you can see, I've clicked on the Promotion Center tab. There are 4 sub-tabs that we just spoke of: My Promotions, Widgets, OCP Settings, and Alerts. My Promotions tab, which by the way is empty right now, but we're going to change that in just a moment, is where you can see a list of the promotions that you currently have going on. And it also offers you a few actions you can take regarding those promotions. The next tab is AppeBee Widgets. If you have a blog or a website, you can use AppeBee Widgets to embed promotional content on your website or blog. We prepared widgets in the conventional sizes, but we'll be adding more as we move forward. The widgets automatically include your promotional code, but you do need to input a few additional pieces of information. First of all, when you select a widget, you give your widget a name, so you can differentiate it from your other widgets. You also need to put in the location. The location is where you intend to embed it to make tracking of it easier moving forward in your reports. And then finally, you select where to pull apps from. You can choose My Promotions or Categories. Categories will pull up the category box where you can select an app category that best suits a particular audience for that particular promotion. In My Promotions, widgets will display all apps that you have promoted. And of course, if you want to change or delete your widget, you can do that at any time. Plus, there's a plus sign on the My Promotions page, so you can click on that and check the performance of that particular widget, the analytics. All right, so now let's talk about OCP settings. OCP. It stands for one-click promotion, and it lets you determine a set of promotional channels in advance, so you have them set up and they're really ready to go on a moment's notice. For example, those channels might be your blog or blogs, your Facebook, your Twitter, and much more. And then, by setting these up in advance, you can push promotional content to those channels with just a single click. It really does make it simple and efficient for you to promote the apps that you're marketing. So let's go through some of the options here in the OCP. We'll start with email accounts. You can enter an email account here that you wish to have content pushed to. And really, the only information that the system needs for you to set up a new email account is the email itself and the password. Next are your social networks. And right now on the drop-down list, we have 2 options, Facebook and Twitter. And by the way, to make sure that you get the best results, please make sure that your privacy settings on the Facebook approval request are sent to friends or everyone. And next are blogs. To add a blog account, you give the name of the blog, the type of blog it is, which is going to be either Blogger or WordPress, the URL, the web address of the blog, and then once again, we'll need the username and password. And the real power of OCP, one-click promotion, lets you choose, as you just saw, whatever channels you want to promote to, your email list, a Facebook page, a Twitter account, a blog, or multiple blogs. And once you have these configured, your promotions can be released just by clicking the Buzz It button. Now, you may have noticed we skipped one tab, and that's the General Settings. And the reason for that is, first, we wanted to have some accounts in here for us to look at. Each account that you set up, whether it's email, whether it's a social media site, or if it's one of your blogs, you have some options available on how the system reacts when you're ready to do a promotion with the Buzz It button. You can select one click so that when you click the Buzz It button, it goes out to any and all of the social media sites or emails that you've selected to react in that way. The second column is Review. What happens with this is you have a chance to review the promotional message once you click the Buzz It button. So when you click Buzz It, a pop-up window will show the creative content to be used in the campaign. Usually this content is created by the app's developer. And finally, you can disable one of the accounts. So you don't have to delete or remove it for any particular promotion. You can simply disable it if it doesn't make sense in the context of what you're doing with that promotion. So now I'm going to scroll back to the top and I'm going to click on the Marketplace. That will take me to the Showcase, which is kind of like a feature page. And on this page, you see popular apps, new arrivals, highest payouts, and so on. Several categories here. Now, the reason we're coming here is because we want to see actually how promotions work and the power of the Buzz It button. I'm going to select the Find button here at the top so I can look at several apps all at once. And I want you to know that there are two views here. This is the tile view, but you can click on this icon here and get the detail view. The detail view is very good for affiliates because there's a lot more information here, especially if you click on this plus sign. Now we're going to click on the Buzz It button and actually execute a promotion. There are several ways we can do it here. One is we can copy the link right here, and then we can paste that just about anywhere. We could put it straight into a browser. We could put it into our Facebook page. We could put it into our Twitter page, and we could do that manually. But the accounts that we set up in our OCP, the one-click promotion area, appear where we can select or deselect which of those accounts to send the promotion to right now using the Buzz It button all at once. I'm going to leave them all enabled and click the Buzz It button. And then we'll go look at a couple of my social media accounts and see how the promotion looks. Let's have a look at my Facebook. And now my Twitter account. Are you seeing the power here? Once you set all the options up and all your accounts up in the OCP section of AppeBee, it's very easy to promote apps all at once to all of your accounts. We mentioned earlier too that you can paste this URL right into a browser page. And the reason I want to show you that is because if we open a brand new page here and I put that link in there, I'm going to scroll down and of course the promotion is there, but this is one way you can verify that you're doing the promotion right now. Because if you scroll down, you'll see your username at the bottom right. By the way, the dashboard will alert you that you promoted something. You'll also get an email about the promotion. And you get all sorts of other activity alerts on purchases and things like that as well. That's the power of the Buzz It button and the Promotion Center. Thanks for watching, and be looking for more videos from AppeBee.